Well, this is a wonderful opportunity to interact with many experts and people who are very knowledgeable about quality of life research, but also to mentor the younger, new generation who are going to be carrying forward a lot of the things that have been developed in the past and will go forward in the future.
The highlights of any meeting such as this, where the focus is on quality of life, is it brings together every one of us who sometimes feels like we're working in isolation a bit. Lip service is still paid to the importance of our area, and it's nice to feel that one can have free and open discussions about the benefits and limitations of all the sorts of instruments that we're using. So there isn't a primary sort of highlight. It's just great to be with good, clever colleagues.
The highlights of this conference in my mind is bringing people together from across the globe who have a great interest in measuring, quantifying symptoms and function for cancer patients. We know cancer drugs can cause side effects. We know cancer drugs can also be very effective and remove the symptoms of disease and make people function better. How to measure that, how to quantify that, and how to present that information to patients and providers so they can make better choices is what FDA is interested in. And this conference is bringing together health technology assessment folks, regulators, academics, patients to all talk about this so that we can make the right choice.
So I think this conference really brings together so many different stakeholders, and that's really one of the values of coming here, because I think the interaction with the regulators, some industry, but particularly patient and academic groups, it's a real privilege to discuss so many of the topics, and the board have seemed to really pick they pick the cutting edge topics that we should be discussing. So I think we're really moving the field further forward, and I think the Quality of Life conference is a must attend conference for us to go to.